Hello, and welcome to Schoology Basics. This is video 3.1, Turning in Assignments Using Schoology. In this video, we're going to discover how to turn in our assignments from a phone or tablet. So there's two different ways you can turn in your assignments on your phone or tablet. Through your web browser or through the Schoology app, and I'm going to show you both ways. So the first one is through the web browser, so I'll just open up my web browser, and I'm already logged into Schoology, and I've already pulled up a sample assignment. So this particular assignment, my teacher is asking me to fill out a questionnaire about myself and attach the file and turn it into Schoology. So this is very similar to the instructions on turning in an assignment through a computer from the last video. It's just a couple small differences. So what you're going to do is open up the assignment, and it's going to ask you if you want to download it or view it. You want to click download so that you can type on it. If you view it, you can just read it, but you can't type on it. So you want to click download. And then what it's going to do is download the file. If you look at the top of your screen next to your URL, where this website address is, where it says wcskids.schoology.com, next to that is a blue arrow in a circle. If you tap on that, it's going to show you any files you may have downloaded. At that point, you can tap on the file, open it up, type on it, fill it out, save it. And then when you go over to your submit assignment button, and mine just says resubmit because I've already done this, but yours would say submit assignment. You tap on that button, and then you'll just attach your file the way that you did in the computer instructions. And you want to make sure that you send that assignment. So you want to make sure that when you do that assignment, you click your submit assignment button. So that way it sends a message to your teacher and lets them know that you have completed the assignment. Now, if you are turning in an assignment through like Flipgrid or through one of the Google apps or things like that, you want to make sure that, number one, you are logged into your school email so that it's connecting to that. And you also want to make sure that you have any apps that your teacher is asking you to use installed on your device. So if they want you to use Flipgrid, you want to make sure you have that Flipgrid app installed on your device and that you are logged into it, or through Google. They might have some Google apps they want you to use as well. So that way everything is working together and you can get your assignments turned in with a little problem. You also want to make sure that if you are turning in an assignment through one of these other methods, that when you turn in the assignment, you also click that submit assignment button. And that's just going to let your teacher know that you have completed the assignment. Just doing the assignment and not clicking that button, they're not going to know if you finished it or not. So you want to make sure that you're using that to communicate with your teacher that you've completed the assignment. Now, if let's say you turn in a Microsoft Word document that's blank, that you just downloaded it and didn't fill it out, and you turn it in, your teacher will then be able to send you a message through Schoology and let you know, hey, you didn't complete the assignment. Thank you for clicking the button, but you did not complete the assignment. And that way you keep those lines of communication open, which is always a good thing to do. And that way you will get your assignments finished quicker, and that way you're communicating with your teachers. All right, any other ways of turning in your assignments? If you watch video 3, that's going to show you the same sort of instructions on how to turn in your Schoology assignments using the web browser. So let's go into the Schoology app, which is slightly different. Now I've already pulled up some sample assignments. And if I was to do this assignment right here, which is States of Matter Worksheet Review, if I click on submissions, so over here, it's under info, it's got my instructions for my assignment. If I click on submissions, then I can click my plus sign and I can turn in my assignment in whatever way my teacher needs me to turn it in, either by creating a submission, submitting a photo or video, submit from resources, record audio, or where it says on mine, submit from iOS apps. That's asking me to use apps that are maybe on my device. If you're using an Android device, it's going to say submit from Android apps. So that way you can submit your assignments through Schoology in the app. It's pretty similar to the web browser version or the computer version. It's just a little bit different. You just need to know where to find things. Other than that, that's all you really need to know on how to turn in your Schoology assignments through your phone or tablet.